If you want to organize your non-GOG games inside GOG Galaxy, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to add games to GOG manually, whether it's a classic DRM-free game on your PC, an old CD-ROM installation, or even an indie game you downloaded from itch.io. This is a super helpful way to keep all your games in one library, with cover art, metadata, and a cleaner setup. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once you're in the main interface, look to the top left corner and click the gear icon. This opens the Settings and Management menu. From there, choose Add Games and Friends. This is the section GOG Galaxy uses for adding titles that are not already tied to your account. After that, click Add Game manually. Now GOG Galaxy will let you search for the title of the game you want to add. Type in the name carefully, because selecting the correct version is important for making sure the game gets the right cover art, title, and metadata. If the game appears in GOG's database, click on it to link it properly. This helps the game look cleaner in your library and makes it easier to organize later. If you have the game installed locally, you can also point GOG Galaxy toward the executable file on your PC, so it knows exactly what to launch. Once the game is added, you should see it appear in your GOG Galaxy library alongside your other titles. From there, you can launch it, manage it, and keep everything in one place. This is especially useful if you own games from different sources and want one central launcher instead of jumping between multiple platforms. So now you know how to add games to GOG Galaxy manually in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.